Are you someone who loves solving puzzles and challenges? Have you ever found yourself feeling frustrated when you can't seem to find your way out of a maze? Imagine how much easier it would be if you had a step-by-step guide to help you through the maze, giving you the solution you need to escape and move on to the next challenge. Welcome back, it's me Fire. Welcome back to our channel Fire Gamers. Introducing Maze Puzzle Solving Videos. Our videos are designed to provide you with expert tips and tricks for navigating even the most complex mazes. Whether you're a beginner looking to improve your skills or a seasoned pro seeking new challenges, our videos have something for everyone. With our easy-to-follow instructions and clear explanations, you'll be able to conquer any maze with confidence. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to success as you unlock the secrets of maze solving with our videos. Don't waste any more time feeling stuck and overwhelmed. Let us guide you through the maze and help you reach your ultimate goal of becoming a true maze master. Check out our videos today and start your journey to maze solving mastery. Okay, so now that we're having our maze puzzle done. So far I think we have done about 3 maze puzzles. Comment below that how much of the mazes have you successfully solved before me. Let's get back to the video. Okay, so guys, are you enjoying this maze puzzle video? Comment if you want me to make more videos of this topic or any other topic you want to see. Okay, so now I am giving mic to my partner who is next going to do the voiceover.
Hello guys, so I'm the one who is going to voiceover from now. I hope you all will be fine. Okay. So now I will be making commentary on these puzzles. Okay, so now here are one more puzzle have come to an end. So now after this one, we are going to start about 2 more puzzle. Okay, so guys, here our cute mouse is going. On its way, you guys try to guess, and imagine the path it should take. Okay, so, I am making it move according to path. By the way, if you imagine all puzzles perfectly, I can say UIQ 999, plus good job. Well, let's gets back to puzzle solving. And here our one more puzzle comes to an end. I think so I am going to do one more puzzle in this video. Okay, here I am starting one more puzzle. Okay. Again our cute mouse is going and trying to find the way to its cheese. Let's hope he could get to it quick. Okay, so we need to take a perfect route idea. Are you guys guessing as well? Okay, now need to take the way to down, and go straight. And then move up, and then take right, and then move up, and there we go, our mouse got its cheese. Jerry. Are you guys having fun with these puzzles? Do comment. If you enjoyed, well, we are doing one more puzzle. I am also having fun, so I can't stop playing.
Okay, so here our video is about to end. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel Fire Gamers and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new video.